Welcome back. We had a party this weekend. My family did, my parents did. So my husband and I cleaned out the tiny house. We had to clean it perfectly to the point where there was no real clutter on the counters. I just got back. My husband's still at work, so I thought I'd give you guys a little tiny house tour of the tiny house as it's clean. Don't mind that mess. I'm doing laundry. So this is our front door. We have shades that go down. They're blackout shades, as you can see here. These are our indoor light, outdoor light for the front porch, and our here lights. And then you can dim them down, dim them up. Our fire hydrant. This is where we put our keys in our purse for right now. We eventually will have a table here, but we don't have it yet. We have our doorbell and the doorbell to the whole property, and then just a fly trap. This is a full-length mirror, which you can see me in. It goes on, well, so that's our fire alarm, and then of course the lights. So the bed is down right now. It took me about 10 minutes to get down because I'm doing loads of laundry, so I thought it'd be a lot easier. So this is technically the bed area and the living room, but we have cabinets up here. Like there, that's my husband's stuff. This is both of our stuff. It's the only stuff that has hanging clothes. This is mine, and that's my husband's, and then he has 2 more drawers down there. And then this is quote unquote our little night table with chargings of all kinds. Let me go over here. We have our washer dryer combo, which we love that thing. We have our exchanger up here, so it'll cycle the air inside the tiny house if we keep it closed for too long. Our AC and heater unit that finally works. Hallelujah. We actually have a pretty nice size freezer and fridge, of course, and then we've been using this as our pantry. That will come back out onto the counter, but we put a lot of stuff away just because we didn't want people playing with our stuff. So this is our sink. It is one sink. It comes with another basin that you can put in here, and it sits right here where the cutting board is right now. But I didn't want it out again for the party, so I just left the cutting board here, and then we just have cleaning supplies, which goes back to my mother-in-law. And then we have just a usual sink where it can be like this, or kind of like a shower, and then it pops out as well. That's really nice. So that's that. Those are our windows that slide open and meet in the middle. Excuse me. Countertop, which is really nice. We usually have our dish rack here when we do dishes, and what I think I'm going to start doing is when I do the dishes, I'm going to wash them, dry them, and then put the entire rack away because it collects water underneath, and then our ants love it. So I'm going to start putting it away and only bringing it out when I do the dishes. Cookies my mother-in-law made. This is our silverware drawer, and along with some other kitchen things that I just didn't feel like stuffing in there because we were in such a rush. And then we have Ziploc bags and more randomness. And then our canned foods, baking stuff and Tupperwares. And then all of our hot cooking supplies and just stuff we need, but not I need on a regular basis, but not for my husband. So everything that I need is in the lower parts of the tiny house, and everything that I don't need is more up there. We obviously have our convection stove. And then, of course, cooking utensils, which I just brought back out because I'm going to make dinner later. We have our oven, which is finally working. So happy. We usually have our DVD player sitting right here, but I'm not sure. We're still debating on that. I'm snacking on some Cheetos, and then this was given to me as a gift for the outside, so I'm going to put that there. Our microwave, which is just unplugged, and our TV that I just plugged back in. And then down here, we have more storage where we've put all of our DVDs. We have our cookbooks. We have kind of anything that we need on hand is right here. My violin. And I think I'm going to put our shoes here for now that we have it reset. yeah, we're still trying to figure out what to do with this space. Then you have our bed, but underneath it we have storage, which I will show you in a part 2.